And then the next section is about course success rates. We're going to use the same dashboard. The first question in this section is, over the past 3 years, how have course success rates in your discipline changed? Decreased, stay roughly the same, or increased? So we'll go to psychology this time. If you scroll to the right. So one thing about the dashboard is that sometimes it takes some time for it to respond because it's operating off the server. Okay, let's go to overall success rates. Okay. First, again, unclick, and then you will see an error message. And this is, we found this error message last night, and we checked our program. We didn't find anything wrong with our program. It works fine on our desktops. So we have to reach out to Tableau server to see what happened in the Tableau server, which caused this problem. But it doesn't actually prevent you from querying here. You know, you can just go ahead and type in psychology and then click on psychology. And then you will see the course success rates in the past 3 years for psychology. Again, we'll check off summer and spring the first time, and then just check on fall success rates in the past 3 falls. It looks like it has been increasing in the past 3 falls in psychology area for discipline. And you can look at the cohort sizes, like how many enrollments in psychology classes in the past 3 falls, and they are very big. And the increase actually really mean increase, because when sample sizes are too small, it bounces a lot. It varies a lot. You know, sometimes there is a bump, sometimes there is a huge decline. So I mean, going back to the template, we will answer this question. Increased. So that's very obvious. And then we also ask you to disaggregate your course success rates by, race and ethnicity and also gender. So we'll go back to the dashboard, and in order not to see that error message, you can download the dashboard to your desktop and you can also download the Tableau trial version. I'm going to just run off my desktop version. So if we select on success rates by race and ethnicity, and then again just try to find that psychology. Okay, it's a lot of data, so we want to narrow it down to probably just fall semester. And then if you compare your course success rates among different racial and ethnic groups, let's look at the bottom line. The bottom line is dark blue, and that represents African American students. So that means in the past 3 falls in psychology discipline, African American students have almost the lowest success rates for the past 3 falls. And then the one who bounced around is Pacific Islander. So basically these 2 groups jump out to me. And there is one greenish, which is Latinx. They increased a lot in the past 3 falls. Their success increased a lot in the past 3 falls. And then you can see the numbers here, like for Pacific Islanders, you will see the reason why they bounce a lot is because their sample sizes are too small, like in only 2 digits, like 20s, 30s. And then the next one you can click on is success rates by gender, the same thing. And then just check whether there are any DI groups in the gender. So this other group, again, the sample sizes should be very small. That's why it jumped a lot. But generally speaking, I didn't see any DI groups when we break down the data by gender. So coming back to this question, I will check African American students, Pacific Islander students, with the caveat that we do have a small sample size for Pacific Islander students. I think that's all about this dashboard on course enrollments and success rates.